Zero compromise mechanical switch for speed accuracy. Razer Orange switch technology provides tactile feedback with a quieter click, requiring 45 G of actuation force, ideal for most gaming and typing experiences. Included O-Ring Sound Dampeners, further reduces key noise, travel distance, and typing fatigue. Individually backlit keys, white LED lighting with full brightness control beyond the customizability of zone-lit keyboards. Fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Tournament-ready design. A Tenkeyless design with a detachable USB cable provides a portable form factor for on-the-go gamers. Durable construction. Supports up to 80 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Experience the perfect keyboard for work and play, featuring Razer Orange mechanical switches for silent but tactile responsive feedback. Top reviews from the United States. IT was great until I spilled water all over it. It was my first TKL keyboard and I was loving it. Until I spilled water all over it and it shorted and I had to throw it away. I really liked the fact that it had white LED backlights only. Since I am kind of over the whole RGB gamer phase of my life, it gives it a little more of that professional vibe. The keys were quiet. I did install all the O-rings on the keys to make it even more quiet, but it was quiet enough without the O-rings too. I will buy it again when the time comes.